Hello and welcome to my tea party. Spooky? Whose balloon is this?
It's mine.
Oh, Penny, can you pass on the Ouija board for me?
You sure?
I am Belle. Can you tell? You will meet my haunted friends, or you will go to hell. Oh, by the way, have you met Chucky yet?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Thank you very much for being with me until the end of the video. If you have any comments, I will read and answer as much as I can. Like and give me energy. I love you very much and wait for my next video. Stars are born. They cannot be made.